Welcome to Plains Township. I live in a small, family-based little town in the suburbs of Wilkes-Barre-Scranton area. Plains Township has a population of 9,748 people as of 2018. The town itself is 12.9 square miles. The median age is 50.2 years old. The majority ages are 18 to 64. As for gender, it is pretty split. This area is a very nuclear-based family area, and most kids do end up returning to the town after they graduate from college. They then establish their career and start a family here. Many of the people I went to high school with are now raising their families in Plains Township. Many of them have kids the same age as mine. It is not a very diverse area. Looking at the poverty level of Plains Township, 8.9% of people live below the poverty level. This is a very small amount. The education of the residents shows that 91.2% have completed high school or higher, where 26.4% of the population have attained a bachelor's degree or higher. The crime rate of Plains Township is very low. Most crimes that are committed are thefts, according to 2018 statistics. These crimes are non-violent type crimes. The majority of the population in Plains Township is Catholic, at 43%. Although a smaller community, Plains Township does have two major employers. One of those is the Mohegan Sun Casino and Hotel, a 238-room hotel and convention center with table games, electronic table games, slot machines, dining, shopping, nightlife, and live harness racing. Geisinger, Wyoming Valley is one of the largest hospitals in the northeastern Pennsylvania area and locally provides several specialty institutions, including the Cancer Institute, the Heart Institute, medicine, musculoskeletal, neuroscience, surgery, and the Women's and Children Institute. Here's a large-scale map of Plains Township to show you where it is located in relation to larger cities such as Philadelphia, New York City, and Boston. It is in the northeastern part of Pennsylvania and known locally as NEPA, N-E-P-A. When we take a closer look, you can see the detail of the almost 13 square mile town, as well as where the casino and the Geisinger Hospital are located. After reading Seeking the Good Community from the Ohio State University, and based on the key elements of a good community, Plains Township would be considered a good community based on the following points. It is a safe community. A person should feel safe to be outside of their home. The crime rate of Plains Township is quite low. In 2018, there were 0 murders, 0 rapes, and the majority of crimes committed were thefts. There were 137 thefts, which were non-violent crimes. Having access to the basic human needs of life, Plains Township, the population is provided with the basic needs: food, water, clothing, and housing. People can be employed in Plains Township, but also work in the larger city of Wilkes-Barre or Scranton. However, if residents need these services, our larger city of Wilkes-Barre allows those to use the services, such as the food pantry, soup kitchen, or the community closets. The feeling of community. Being a smaller community, the residents interact and develop relationships based on their common values and goals. As an example, a local resident was recently and unfortunately hit by a car while getting gas. He ended up needing to have one of his legs amputated at the knee. His fiancée and daughter were left worrying about the bills and income, as well as medical bills that were piling up. The community came together, held a spaghetti dinner to raise money for the family. Local businesses donated all of the food and baskets to be raffled off. The local Plains Township Church Hall was also donated to hold the dinner. This allowed all of the proceeds to go straight to the family. The community came together for this one single family. Knowing where you fit in the community, you have the choice to become a member of a program and donate your time, or be simply a parent on the sideline. Either way, the community value is fulfilled. This leads into the activities in our community. Plains Township offers Boy Scouts, sports, and community activities. As well as a community, we have a Christmas parade, Little League Baseball parade, our Plains Yankees Pee Wee Football League, and many community gatherings, including a national night out every August.